As more and more companies choose to join the online market, to offer their products and services, marketing strategies have become more creative, as companies try to ensure their customer base. Strategy number 1 is SEO. If you want to rank on the search engines for particular keywords, then you would choose to use search engine optimization or SEO. You can rank for particular keywords, according to the nature of your business. SEO will not give you instant results, rather it is a longer-term marketing strategy, and it is not suitable for all businesses. SEO can be thought of as an investment for your business. The marketing costs associated with SEO do not continue indefinitely as, usually once a site is ranked, it will stay ranked. It allows for a huge increase in traffic, and hence sales. Strategy number 2 is Chatbot. A relatively new entry into the world of online marketing, chatbots simulate human dialogue. They allow you to interact with your customer, or prospective customer by sending automatic messages, and responses to their questions. The interaction can either be by text, or speech. You can make your own chatbot, and it is difficult for the user to determine whether they are interacting with a bot, or a human. They have a wide variety of applications. Strategy number 3 is video marketing. Video marketing is becoming extremely popular due to its popularity with customers. People are visual, and as such, they enjoy visual stimulation. Videos should be short, people tend to click off after about 10 seconds, sharp and without a direct focus on selling. Tell a story and use humor. Funny videos are shared amongst friends. Try to be as original and as professional as possible. Target your video appropriately. Who is going to watch it? What is the purpose of your video? And what platform are you going to use? Strategy number 4 is email marketing. Email is still a fabulous way to reach your customers, despite all of the other newer methods of marketing. Statistics show that email marketing is still considered to be a highly effective marketing tool. In order that you use it effectively, you have to offer personalization and value to obtain the maximum engagement. Target customers, according to their interests, likes, and dislikes rather than sending out a blanket email, which most will just delete. Inboxes are busy spaces, and you have to work creatively to stand out. Strategy number 5 is paid advertising. When you go down the route of paid marketing, whether on Google or whether on social media sites, you have to allocate a budget, and remember that in order to have your product visible, the costs will continue month on month. This has to be factored in when calculating your ROI. Conclusion. Companies use a variety of strategies to engage customers, and it is a bit about testing the market to see what works best for you. Unless you have a great deal of expertise, it can often be worth engaging an agency who will be able to help you with your strategies. It is becoming more and more complex, and you have to think out of the box a bit as more and more companies join in with the online world to market and sell their products and services.